up next, we have some breaking updates on a massive Republic political scoop. Mamata Banerjee-led TMC and Sharad Pawar-led NCP are all set to form an alliance soon. Insiders part of the meeting tell Republic that Mamata and Pawar have not yet ruled out Congress from the upcoming TMC and NCP alliance. However, the insiders in the meeting between Mamata Banerjee and Sharad Pawar have also conveyed that an alliance between the duo might be formed soon, and they are not obviously ruling out Congress from this alliance. And if the Congress wants, they can be a part of it. But the main idea behind forming this alliance is to join forces, and under whose leadership will this alliance function is not yet sure. For more details on this, let me go across to Aishwarya, who's tracking this story very closely. Aishwarya, massive political scoop for Republic, where we have found out that Sharad Pawar and Mamata Banerjee trying to make their own alliance and trying to say that Congress will not be leading the opposition anymore.
Well, let this be clear that it's going to be Mamata Banerjee who is going to be leading this front. She, despite Sharad Pawar saying that there is no reason to alienate Congress from the same dais, Mamata Banerjee said, what UPA? UPA is over. So she's giving a clear indication that she is here to lead. She is on a decimating trail as far as Congress party is concerned, right from Goa to the northeast. And that is not it. Whether it is from the state of Uttar Pradesh or Haryana or even poll-bound Punjab, wherever there is even an iota of a dissatisfaction within the Congress cadre, within a leader, which can make any level of difference, TMC is not shying away to open their arms for it. And that's a clear message. She was in Delhi just a fortnight back, did not meet Sonia Gandhi, and that doesn't happen that often. And while being on the same dais, Sharad Pawar saying that there is no need to alienate Congress because Sharad Pawar is still an alliance with the Congress party as far as the Maharashtra state government is concerned. But Mamata Banerjee makes it very clear that Congress is over. It is not the BJP who is now giving a slogan of Congress Mukt Bharat, but it's an indirect message which has been given in, Priyanka, and we need to read within the lines.
Well, yes, Aishwarya, very interesting details and perspective that you're putting forth for our viewers. But let me also go across to Yesha, who has been tracking Mamata Banerjee's movements in Mumbai. Yesha, you're right there where the meeting had taken place. What more can you tell our viewers with respect to what all had in fact been discussed in this meeting, Yesha?
Yes, Priyanka. So what we saw was that a discussion in the meeting were about forming a third front. In fact, what both these leaders had pointed out was and they had also said that they are against the fascism in the country, and apart from that, they want to form a democratic alliance. Now, this was something that was tweeted by Sharad Pawar himself after the meet. However, after the meeting, what we also understood was that Sharad Pawar had said that there is a third front which they're trying to form, and this is where the whole idea was to meet Mamata Banerjee, and that's why she had come down. However, though he clearly did not rule out Shiv Sena, saying that because CM was unwell, CM Uddhav Thackeray is unwell, which is where on his behalf it was Sanjay Raut as well as Aditya Thackeray who met Mamata Banerjee. But there was a clear-cut point about him evading the questions when asked about Congress.
Well, yes, Yesha, very interesting this new development, politically speaking, where Mamata Banerjee now herself as Aishwarya was also pointing out, saying that there has to be a Congress Mukt Bharat and that the opposition will not be led by Congress anymore. For the moment, I thank both you and Aishwarya for joining us on this broadcast. For the moment, we move on.